Hello. In this lesson we're looking at exponential functions, and we're just going to look at two questions, and I'm going to rearrange them now. So you'll see the 25 is 5 squared. So I'm trying to get the exponent on most of these. And when you're doing these kind of questions, you're kind of looking at what's called a constant, but it is also called a base. So we'll say the bigger number. So you have 5 squares. 5 is the base. So you're trying to find basically, yes, the power over root here as well. So we've on the denominator there, 5 to the power of 3 times, to the power of 1/4. So it ends up as 5 to the 5 over 4. On the right hand side in the green there, you can see that there. There's a school bell. Anyway, rewrite that, so 5 over 4. And from there, if you get the same base, you get the same number, 5 and 5 there, you can, of course, equate your exponents. So 3x plus 5 is equal to 5 over 4. So 3x equals minus 3 and 3/4. And from there, get your calculator out. X is equal to minus 5 over 4. That's your final answer there. So just go back through it and always check it. You can also check at the very end, plug your numbers in, substitute back in to see if that works. On to our second question. Okay, so same kind of question again. Just in case you may get a decimal in one of these questions, you want to equate it in some way. So just change its form. So in this case, we've changed 0.125 to 1 over 8. And again, try and get that in some way rewritten with an exponent. So we've 1 over 2 to the power of 3. And again, you can transform that again or convert it to 2 to the minus 3. And from there, multiply out. And again, we've got the same base of 2. So now you can equate the same exponents. So you got 3x is equal to minus 6x minus 3. And from there, of course, it's all easier. So there's only 1 or 2 steps here that you kind of need to focus in on. The rest of it is your usual algebraic manipulations.